Are cough and fever bad things? I would say what happened before cough and fever, maybe months and years of unhealthy eating, maybe decades of unhealthy eating, or maybe using some drugs and supplements which are burdening your body. That was the bad part. The coughing, releasing mucus and all the toxins out of the lungs, and fever, which is heating up the body so it can fight off and kill off the bad bacteria, is a great thing. It might not feel great, it might not feel very comfortable, but it's actually a really good thing. All we need to do is embrace this healing process. Lay in bed, rest, drink lots of liquids, lots of juices, orange juice with ginger, with greens, and just lay, relax, stretch a little, maybe move a little bit, but not too much, and embrace this beautiful process, and understand that all the suffering you're going through is firstly caused by mistakes that you did before, and it's not your fault, it's not nobody's fault, it's just a misinformation out there. And secondly, that when you feel negatively about this process, when you say that you're feeling discouraged, then you create even more negativity and more suffering. If you understand that this process is exactly where you need to be, and that's exactly what your body needs to do, and in the end of this process, which might be pretty soon, is huge relief. And of course you might be tempted to use some kind of heavy foods or drugs to stop that detoxification process, but just so you know that all that stuff all these toxins will stay in your body. That just stops the cleaning process, and you will stay with it. And although just painful to release all that, if you embrace this pain and realize that this is such an important process you're going through, it's like breaking out of the cocoon. Might not be comfortable, but in the end you will be free and clean. So embrace the healing process, be really gentle with your body, rest a lot, drink lots of juices and herbal teas to heal. I would say unboiled herbal teas are better, and just go through it with as positive mindset as you can, and with gratefulness that you have a chance to heal, because some people never get that chance, they just pass away. So you can be grateful for that you're alive and you have a chance to cleanse and break free.